What's up YTV, this is your boy DJ Y and I'm back with another episode. In today's video I want to show you legendary Eminem and Royce the 5'9" linked up with CEO of Leaf and Bud Cannabis, Mark Savaya. So literally it means they cooking up something special. Check this out, Slim Shady in YTV, come on. So guys, before I will finish the video, I have a question of the day. Please honestly tell me, how do you like this new single by Eminem and Big Sean with the title Savaya? Please tell me in comment section. If you don't know, this track is #1 on YouTube trending, man. This is crazy, man. This is real comeback by the legend. So guys, stay tuned, we have new Eminem album, There's So Slim Shady on the way. Thanks for watching, peace.
I'm the hardest in the world, I've been the hardest in the state. How to get it out the water, I'm a shark, see the trace.
Got J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, and maybe like Drake.
Okay. What you think about beef between Rose and Drake, man?
Rose and Drake, I don't know, I'm not following up to this piece, but I'm just like, I fuck with music. I just listen to music.
TV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.
And if you imagine